Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to move funds from SafePal to Cash App? Here's a quick and easy guide. First of all, open your SafePal app. Go to your wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Since Cash App supports Bitcoin deposits, tap on Bitcoin in Cash App. Select Deposit Bitcoin and copy your BTC wallet address. Back in SafePal, tap Send. Paste the Cash App Bitcoin address, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Blockchain transactions may take a few minutes to process. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will appear in Cash App. And that's it. Now you can convert your Bitcoin to cash or use it right in Cash App. Easy and secure. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.